Now open core.js inside of our JS folder, and we're going to start with the document ready. So $, 2 brackets and function, then 2 curly braces, semicolon at the end. And we start with our trigger, which is the class Tooltip. And we go for live method and a few events. First one will be mouse over, second one will be mouse out, third one will be mouse move, and the last one will be click. Then we have function, event as parameter, the semicolon after all this, and we start with the Tooltip object, then preview, and we pass first parameter as the instance of the specific trigger, and then event. Then we simply return false. And straight away, while we are in document ready section, we're going for Tooltip target, then a live and a click event, function. And when someone clicks on this tooltip, we want this to remove class, which will assign to the specific to each target, which has been basically displayed after clicking on the trigger. Select it. So this is the name of the class. Then this we want to hide the tooltip and return false. It all will become a little bit more apparent when we will start working on this specific object. So now if we copy the name of the object and above our document ready, we're going to start with the variable and the name of this object, then after closing curly brace semicolon. We're going to create two properties. First will be offset y, and the position will be 10 pixels. Then we have offset x, and the position will also be 10 pixels. Then we go for the first and only method inside of this specific object, which will be preview. And then we go function and two parameters, object, which is basically instance of the trigger, and then event, which has been triggered. Now we start with the variable target, which will go for object, and then we go attribute ID. And as you may remember, I've mentioned we're going to be concatenating this with hyphen content. So this is our target. Now we check if target dot length is more than 0, meaning if this specific object has been found on the page, then we're going to process with our code. The first event is mouse over. So if event dot type equals mouse over, then we will do something. Else if event type equals mouse out, then we do something else. Then we go for another else if event dot type equals mouse move, then we do another thing, and then finally else, which is the only other statement that we may have executed here, which is a click, will do something completely different. So let's move to the next video, and we're going to start actually working through all these cases.